Javier, say something funny too. We have this Ferrari A12 here. As you guys know, this is Offset's car. We had put a custom exhaust system on this car a while back. So now that the car is sold, dealer purchased the vehicle, we need to put the original exhaust back. So that's what Javier is doing right now. He's just about done putting all the covers back. The original exhaust is back on here. And this is the amazing exhaust that we have. It's a Rift exhaust system. This thing is really, really nice, you guys. So if anybody is interested in this exhaust, go ahead and contact RDBLA. You can send us an email, you can call, however it's convenient for you guys. Yeah, this is for sale. So call for more information or email for more information. Thank you.
Alright guys, we're here with the Maybach Long Delay, $1.5 million car, only 100 made. We're gonna talk about 3 things I dislike about it. It's a dope car, but there are 3 things I would change on it. The first thing is going to be the top mechanism. I'm gonna show you guys why I do not like it. The top has 2 handles. You have to actually release both these handles to even go to activating the top. So you go 1 and you go 2. And then you have to press and hold a button that's way up here. So if you're sitting here, you can't control it. You gotta kind of come up front. And now you gotta, see it's like still jammed, so you gotta do this. You gotta make sure it's fully released. And then you could not make it work. All right, well, Joe doesn't know what leave the ignition means, so the top was not working. Now we have the ignition on, the handles are open. You have to press and hold this button, which also you hear it beeping. I don't know for what reason, I don't know who's gonna get injured. Maybe if you stick your hand there, but you have to hold it the whole time, which takes about 15 seconds, and now it's done. So that's with the top open. After that, you could kind of do this thing, put the handles back, and to close it, you close it, and then you have to actually lock it again in place with these handles. The second thing I dislike that I realized is the air condition back here is not very good. It has 2 vents here, 2 here, and then 2 more on the sides, but I have it all the way up, and it's not very strong. I would think you really need nice air conditioning in this car, especially with the convertible. Let's say the sun is on you, you want the air conditioner to actually affect you. I'm disappointed with that a little bit. And then the third thing would be the rear view camera. There is no rear view camera on this car. G-Wagons have them, 4x4s have them, but this thing does not have it. Mind-boggling. It's a long car and it does not have rear view camera. So you could easily back this car into something. I just don't see the logic behind not having a rear view camera. It does not make sense to me. We might have to figure something out for this car and put one in there. On the G-Wagons, they are up on the tailgate there. So that's one area where I would say yes, okay, fine. They can't put it up there. This car, they're doing custom handmade. They cannot stick it somewhere else. I mean, put one over here, put one up here aiming down, put one in the bumper. I don't know, it really feels like they just got lazy at the end and did not manage to put the rear view camera. You guys already know we've done the 4x4 conversions where we cut the roof off, and we actually put a rear view camera on there. We actually put it right here in the middle where the door handle is usually. So we put it there ourselves. There's no reason for them not to have it. Alright guys, I have a bonus dislike about this car. The turning radius. G-Wagons already don't have an amazing turning radius, and this one is even worse because it is stretched out and they did not accommodate for that. So turning radius, also terrible.
Oh my goodness. We literally need like to have this repaired professionally. We have Vic's actually 2007 Beamer Fest Battle of the Beamers. First place. Best modified. As you guys can see, this trophy is coming apart. We don't want to throw it away because every single trophy really counts for us. So we don't really want to throw anything away.
Why don't you give it to Sarkis? He has a BMW.
Oh yeah, Sarkis has a BMW. We can give Sarkis this trophy, actually, and you can take it home. Okay, yeah, we're never gonna fix this.
M850i right here. This thing is wrapped in satin pearl white, one of the most beautiful colors any wrap company has to offer. We used to do this color a lot and we realized why. It looks amazing on everything. This is not the convertible like Sarkis. This is a man's car. Unfortunately, Sarkis cannot get these wheels. I think his ego would go through the roof, so I'm not allowing him to have these wheels on his car. These are the RDB wheels 3-piece, polished, brushed silver center, and BMW floating caps. It's like the Rolls Royce, but it's actually custom BMW caps. The customer does not want blue and white as typical BMW, so we did a black and white logo instead. The car is slammed on springs. He has a lot of parts on order for this car, the front lip, rear spoiler, a lot more stuff coming in. So this is not the last time you guys are gonna see this beast. It's gonna get a downpipe and tune as well. So more additions coming. I'm glad to see a BMW on the channel. This is honestly a really, really dope one. I'm tired of seeing, you know, just simple blacks or whites. This is a satin pearl white with the RDB wheels, not in black, but in those beautiful silver and polished configurations. Also, this shirt is available now. This is the RDB glow-in-the-dark shirt, the Tron edition, which is that Aventador that we did a while back. It's sunset time right now, so the glow is starting to show. This is part of the limited edition t-shirts for November.
It's the woman version of mine. This one is 110,000.
Okay, explain to me why this one, why yours is nicer.
Okay, so mine first has the Bauer and Wilkins sound system. Just the sound system
sucks.
is like 4,500 difference.
I'm not talking about money.
I have a crystal shifter, so it's better than this one.
Oh my god.
And then
Do you caress your shifter every time?
yes, every time I
You
feel
caress
that, every time I feel that crystal on my hand. I love the wheels. It's crazy. The only thing I don't like, floating caps. You have to use a floating cap after 24. Smaller 22s, 20s. When you use
You
a
know,
floating cap.
factory Rolls Royce wheels,
Yes.
21 inch, comes with floating caps.
Okay, but the wheels are big. You cannot compare the wheel with this one. If you put a Rolls Royce
How
wheel
is
this
the
much
wheel
high,
bigger when it's 21 and it's 22?
it is, but the tire thing is this much big. So that's why that's a
It
luxury.
makes no sense, man.
It does. So my opinion, guys, if you guys gonna do 22s, I will prefer without floating
First of all,
cap.
let's talk about the truth. This is a coupe, which is much better than your car.
This is a cheaper of my.
It doesn't
car.
matter about
It
money.
Does.
No.
It does. So if
No.
you will be
No.
expensive.
That's worse for you because he's paying cheaper and he has a nicer car than you.
No, there is no way possible.
Yes,
so how,
possible.
So how's it possible?
What do you mean? Look how sleek this car is.
Look
Your
at
car
it.
has a stupid soft top on it.
That's why there is no room. You feel like if you have that.
Okay, are you
there's
12 feet tall?
No, joke aside,
at the
guys. If you guys
color.
gonna get a 22, make sure. If you guys gonna get the
Don't listen
RDB
to him.
wheels, make sure you guys get without floating cap.
Don't listen to him at
I
all.
will show you a sample floating without floating cap. It shows more wider.
Okay,
It shows more.
I'm testing you because if you like these, I was gonna give these to you. But you
No.
don't like it, so I'm not gonna
No,
give it to you.
I will prefer my original ones than this
Oh my god.
one. Now that's a kidding. No. A joke aside,
This car's gonna get a carbon fiber. Actually, it's inside. Can you go get it?
it looks nice. See, yeah, it looks nice. This is something I will put on my car. But the wheels without floating cap, for sure. In my opinion, I will do like shiny black lip. Like shiny black lip. And just leave it the way it is. But for sure without floating cap. So it will be more bigger and the wheel shows like better than this way.
What would you rate this car 1 to 10?
I think 9.
What would you rate Vic's car?
Vic's car?
Yeah.
There's Armenia flag, so it's 10.